Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to fix a Wurstsalat. Wurst means sausage, but not the ones you put in the pan. It's more the hot dog sausage kind of thing. So if you don't have the big ones we use in Germany, just try it out with a hot dog. Remember, in my videos, I will always teach you some German at the end. So stick to it and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. We start by preparing the meat sausage, as it's called in Germany. It's Fleischwurst, to be exact. And that means meat sausage. It's usually out of pork meat, or we have chicken Fleischwurst as well. So I'm going to slice that up in the KitchenAid later on, and then we need 2 red peppers. I prepare them for the KitchenAid as well. I don't like the white inside of the peppers, so I'm going to get rid of them. Yeah, speed it up. I wish I could really work that fast. Radishes. Oh, we love radishes. My husband and I do. So the recipe calls for just a couple of radishes. Just decide how many you like. I think I have like 15 to 20 radishes probably in there. They were quite sandy, so be careful to wash them very well. And I'm preparing them to get washed and get sliced up in the KitchenAid later on. So here you see our cheese we had left in our fridge. I'm using that up. And it's 3 different types of cheese. And I really cannot remember what kind of cheeses I bought the last time. So I think it was a Swiss cheese and a goat cheese, and we call it butter cheese. But I'm not really sure, but it really doesn't matter. I have to correct myself. We are not doing a Wurstsalat. We are doing a Schweizer Wurstsalat. That means as soon as cheese is involved. Oh, my husband. As soon as cheese is involved, it's a Schweizer Wurstsalat. That means a Swiss sausage salad. It's very popular in Germany. You can order it in many restaurants, but most of the time it doesn't taste so good as this recipe. So don't be disappointed when you travel to Germany and order a Wurstsalat. It will probably not have as many ingredients and doesn't taste as well as this one. So pickles, a lot of them, like 10 to 14. No, 10, about 10, the recipe calls for. And you will see it in a moment. We'll use the liquid of it as well. Just a few tablespoons of the liquid. I'm always cutting off the ends of the pickles. It's probably not necessary, but I don't like it to have anything in the salad that causes the mouth to think something weird is in it. So that was left in our fridge. It's cut up sausage, so I took that as well. And altogether we need 25 ounces of pork or chicken sausage. So altogether I had about this amount. Then the recipe calls for 2 onions, because I cook for children as well. I'm always a little frightened that if it's too spicy with the onions, they might not eat it. So at the end I put in like 1.5 onions. The recipe altogether is about for 8 to 10 portions. So yeah, we had it for lunch, and then the family I work for has 3 children, and I'm the nanny for them, and they are 5, so it's about 10 portions, 8 to 10 portions, I would say. Yeah, I would love to work that fast. That's cool. Yeah, then mustard, 2 teaspoons of mustard. And then I bought a new vinegar today, and I really like it. It's an herb-flavored vinegar. Tastes very good. And you know I don't measure. So the recipe asks for 10 tablespoons of vinegar. Yeah, but I'm tasting it afterwards, and if something is off, I will taste it. Off in the balance, I mean, not like going bad or something. So, and if you put in the the oil at the end, you will get a creamy consistency, and it won't separate as soon. Okay, now you see a little slow-mo of the peppers out of the KitchenAid. The KitchenAid is doing all the work. And here comes the sausage. And I prefer the KitchenAid doing it because I tend to make thicker slices. So those slices are nice and thin, and now I have to cut them in stripes. That's all I have to do now. Yeah, those slices, and now I cut them. Looks so much, but yeah, it's like a little sausage mountain. So now in goes the sugar, and I would say that was like 1/2 cup of sugar. Oh, don't put it in front of the camera, you. Okay, I'm still learning doing videos, so I'm sorry. I thought it would be too sweet, and I put in some water as well. And then I tasted it, and it was pretty sour because we put a lot of vinegar in it and mustard, and we need the balance, the sweet balance. So I put in quite a lot of sugar, like half a cup. Yeah, you see the creamy consistency I was speaking of? That's what I meant. So just put it in there and yeah, you're done. Oh no, we forgot one ingredient, the radishes. Here they come. And bon appetit. You made it right to the end. Thanks for watching my video. And as I promised, now you will learn some German. This time it's a sentence you will probably use in a German restaurant. And it's called Ich möchte ein Schnitzel mit Pommes bestellen. Ich möchte ein Schnitzel mit Pommes bestellen. It means, translated, I would like to order a schnitzel with French fries. The recipe and, of course, your German sentence you will find in the description box underneath this video.